It was another emotional day inside a Yarmouth courtroom on the afternoon of March 16th, as a Yarmouth man was sentenced for his role in the September 2020 murder of 26-year-old Yarmouth County resident Colton Cook. Robert Rogers was convicted of second-degree murder at the conclusion of a 3-week jury trial in January. The charge carries an automatic sentence of life imprisonment. The outstanding issue to be determined at his sentencing was how long Rogers will have to wait before being allowed to apply for parole consideration. The law says the minimum period of parole ineligibility is 10 years. The maximum wait can be no longer than 25 years. The Crown argued for a parole ineligibility period of 19 to 20 years, while the defense sought a wait time of 12 years. Justice Pierre Muse ruled that Rogers, who will soon be 60, will have to wait 19 years before being able to seek parole consideration. Muse also noted in court that just because a person applies for parole, it doesn't mean it gets granted. Justice Muse cited the brutality of Cook's murder in his decision. Also of concern to the court was Rogers' history of violence, which includes a conviction for attempted murder. The victim in that case was Rogers' father. Rogers also received the 5-year maximum sentence on a conviction of indignity to the remains of Colton Cook. Stacey Cook, Colton Cook's mother, said she was satisfied with the sentencing outcome, saying she feels that justice has been served. In court, she delivered what the judge called a heart-wrenching victim impact statement. She spoke about the devastation of finding out how much her son Colton suffered in his final moments when he was shot and then relentlessly stabbed. She told the court she hears him crying out in her nightmares. She described their last goodbye together, calling it simple, carefree, happy, and loving. Had she known that was going to be their last goodbye, she said she would have held her son tighter and looked at his beautiful face longer. There has never been a reason offered for why her son was murdered. His mother says she can't let go of the thought of him dying surrounded by so much hate and evil. That's how he left this world, she told the court, his life not meaning anything to the people in that room who watched him die. This is Tina Comeau, reporting for SaltWire Network in Yarmouth.